What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean, honey?
What do you mean choose?
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? I ought to know who I am.
What do you mean? You don't even know me.
What do you mean you saw me?
There's more out there.
What do you mean? More.
What do you mean?
Listen, the students are freaked.
No, you won't.
What do you mean, no, I won't?
What do you mean, the woods?
The Muir Woods, Second Fire Road off the Panoramic Highway.
For God's sake.
You need to get out of here.
What do you mean?
I mean, my friends are coming.
Who are you, mister?
What do you mean, who am I? I am the President of the United States.
Wrong answer.
What's going on with you and Bryce Lasky?
What do you mean? Nothing.
Why did you tell me about it?
What do you mean?
I mean, what's the point?
What do you mean? Without him?
Are you sure you want to hear this?